You trying to put your ducks in there?
Where's my car?
Should we close the door? Bye-bye. You want to get in? Okay, open the door. Hey, no, what's wrong, buddy? Put digging in. Uh-oh. Your house is going to break any minute, just so you know that. You got to be careful, guys.
How's the house gonna break?
Look at the rip on the top. See that tear right there? Be careful.
If we rip it all the way, it's gonna break.
Yeah, I won't throw it away.
Oh my car.
Okay. All right. Go in your house. Go in your house. You got Beba? Who is that? Is that Beba?